DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone Reel Review, the self-washing mop that saved me.
Friday night, kids finally asleep, dog passed out, and you're on your hands and knees picking up cereal crumbs at 11 p.m. Again. That was me every single week. Type same if you're tired of your floors owning your life. Tell me in the comments what mess you're sick of cleaning the most. That sinking feeling when you step on sticky juice or crunch through pet hair tumbleweeds barefoot. It's exhausting, embarrassing, and honestly steals your joy. But imagine walking in tomorrow and everything's already spotless. No effort. Stay with me just 30 more seconds. I promise this isn't another robot that half-asses it. Here's the accidental miracle. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone Robot Vacuum and Mop. My friend Mark, a project manager with 2 toddlers and a golden retriever, almost missed a massive client deadline because he spent the night before cleaning instead of prepping. At 2 a.m., he hit start on the X11, 19,500 pascals blast suction, inhaled embedded pet hair and cereal dust from his carpets in one pass, while the OZMO Roller 2.0 self-washing mop actually scrubbed dried milk off the kitchen floor with fresh water every few minutes. The bagless OmniCyclone station emptied everything without him buying a single bag. AIVI 3D navigation danced around toys and charging cables like they weren't there. PowerBoost charging had it back cleaning in minutes instead of hours. TruePass wheels hopped thresholds without getting stuck. That night, it finished the whole house while he slept. Suddenly, everything clicked. He woke up, crushed the presentation, and texted me, "Dude, I actually have a life again." That's when I knew this wasn't just another robot.
So here's what happens when the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone Robot Vacuum and Mop moves in. You stop noticing floors because they're always clean. Pet hair vanishes, sticky spills disappear, grout lines come back from the dead, and you never touch a mop or buy another $80 bag pack again. A top tech reviewer said it best. The bagless Cyclone station is a genuine game changer. Combined with the self-washing roller, it achieves a level of hands-off maintenance that sets a new benchmark. Real user at Golden Mom Life, 3 Goldens, wrote, "I run it every morning and actually come home to clean floors all day. My old robot never kept up. I've been running mine daily for months, still 0 hair wrap, still ridiculous suction, still 0 bags in the trash. Yeah, it's premium priced, and the station is big, but no recurring bag costs, plus the hours you get back every week make it cheaper than every other self-emptying robot long-term. Thousands of us are obsessed right now because it's the first one that actually feels like you hired someone. Drop a like if you're ready to fire your vacuum forever."
Deepest win? You get your evenings and weekends back. Clean home, 0 guilt, 0 effort. Join the thousands of pet parents, busy pros, and chaos families already living the hands-free life with the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone Robot Vacuum and Mop. I dropped my affiliate link below. Just click, check it out, no pressure at all. If it's for you, life-changing. If not, no big deal. Either way, see you in the comments telling me how clean your floors are next week.